Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Newman local and long-distance movers. Near me. We offer more than just transportation for your things. When you need the help of a long-distance moving company, our team goes to work. Whether you're just crossing state lines or moving across the country, we can help make your move better. Some of the additional services we offer include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When it's time to hire a Georgia moving company, you may need to look at the benefits to rationalize the cost. Sure, you can rent a truck and do all the work yourself. With a professional moving company, you can save time, avoid the heavy lifting, and ensure all your most fragile items are well protected. We know how to get your things moved fast and safely. Hiring 3 movers makes the moving process much easier. When you don't have the time to pack up all your things and move, we're here to help. Our team can tackle even the largest moves in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Newman moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.